everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Yulia Fior. Long time, and I know that I didn't make any new hairstyle tutorial for a really long time, but I'm really happy to come back with a new hair tutorial from old Hollywood 1940s. And I was inspired by starlet Betty Grable and this photo shoot, this hairstyle, and tried to make it on myself. Actually, to be honest, I'm long time didn't make nothing new, and it for me too was a surprise, an interesting experience. So I will show you how to do this, and actually it's not so difficult. Let's start. For this hairstyle I'm using my basic pin curl set. I will add a video in description how to do that overnight. After that I'm brushing my hair with the fingers before using a brush. It's make it easier and less damage. With the brush I'm brushing my hair upside down. This is like perfect way to brush the hair because you can reach all their hair inside and under. Then I'm adding a little bit of hairspray. It's a secret of Dita from Tease. Then I'm making side parting. Brush a little bit hair to lay down that in the right already in the right shape, plus minus in the future, and separate the parts which will become our rolls, and we will tease it behind my ears, as you see, fixing the other hair for comfort. For teasing you can use two of these brushes, but I will use their actually teasing brush special and showing you my favorite hairspray, as receiving a lot of questions about this. Actually starting to tease the parts, I also adding a little bit of hairspray before teasing. It's make it better, and you can see how I'm moving my brush. It's really make it better and easier too. Doing the same manipulations with all the part of the first row. After everything done, I'm brushing very gently my hair to make it plus minus smooth, but actually it will be only in the end with the hairspray we will make it smooth, and starting to twist a hair. Actually you can control the volume here, you can make it less or more as you like. Then I'm just fixing the twist with one bobby pin. Plus minus organizing their this huge, I don't know, roll twist. And starting to work actually with the victory roll. I always doing the victory rolls with same movements, and actually we'll add some videos on my other tutorials with victory rolls, and starting to create a beautiful roll. Here I'm using bobby pins and U-pins as well, because we have a lot of volume and we don't want to lose it, right? Doing same manipulations with the other part over here, and for little roll, teasing that, then twisting that and fixing. Of course, the goal to try to hide all the bobby pins and make them invisible, but don't be very sad if it will be visible somewhere. Just use the bobby pins and in pins which matching your color, and it will be okay. Now working with the other part of the hair, actually it's kind of like a page boy basic, so I'm just brushing it, helping with my hand to make all the ends hiding inside. And of course hairspray is 50% of success. I'm like using it, also brushing my hair, kind of brushing with the hand, make it smooth and beautiful. Hope you like a tutorial. I hope I inspired you to try something new, and actually I will be more than happy to read your comments about maybe next hairstyle that I need to do from Old Hollywood. I will be really happy with your advices, with your wishes, and actually very soon I will hit 10,000 followers on my YouTube channel. I'm really happy with this and thinking to do something interesting, maybe a giveaway or something like that. So I will think about this, and you don't forget to follow me, like this video, share, check my Instagram. Thank you so much for all support and have a nice day!